Myself Karan Patel. I am B Mechanical. I have total 13 years of experience in planning department, and I have total experience in different segment like fabrication segment, in machine tool. About the culture in our organization Cosmos, because we start our day by prayer. इतनी शक्ति देना दाता. So we get motivated full day to work smoothly, and we believe that one for all and all for one. So this is our thought process. So here everyone thought that there is one family at home and big family in our company. In this growth journey, we implement Lean tool to strengthen our processes, our system, like some of the tools like 5S, Kaizen, Kanban, Pokayoka system. So this tool also support to sustain and expand processes to get progress for next further journey. We always discuss that we can get anything, we can do anything. There is nothing impossible. We always believe that in Cosmos, sky is the limit. About leadership in Cosmos, our leader vision are very clear. To achieve that goal, they expand our knowledge by giving a guidance, by learning, by teaching. So there are many opportunities. So in Cosmos, we believe that individual expansion with company expansion is visible.